a special guest today. Who is it, Jamie?
Today we have my wife, Courtney. Courtney has joined us for our special drink. What are we making today, Courtney?
Today we're making a drink called the Chu Hi. So Jamie and I a couple years ago went to Japan, and one of the things that I came home with was a love for a distilled spirit from Japan called Shochu. It's kind of similar to vodka here in North America, but it's made with barley and an ingredient called koji, which has that umami that you see in, miso and soy sauce. So really cool cocktail. We're going to make Chu Hi, which is essentially just an abbreviation of shochu and a highball glass. And it can be made with any kind of juice, but today we're going with grapefruit juice.
And how much?
So you're going to do 1 part of that, which is the shochu, and 1 part of the grapefruit juice.
All right, so one part.
Okay.
1 part.
Looks about one part.
Jamie and I sort of are known for our accuracy and our measurements.
Looks about one part.
Yeah, it's probably about right. Oops, that one's on the left. And then we're going to top it off with
Club soda.
some club soda.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, fizzy.
Club soda.
Club soda.
Very good.
That's good. And this, because this is sort of a Japanese backstreet kind of drink, we're going with no garnish.
Backstreet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and fun fact, this is actually a popular drink sold in vending machines in a can.
Oh, really?
In Tokyo.
Well, there you go.
Fizzy.
Cheers.
All right. Cheers, everyone. Let's give it a shot.
Delightful.
Very refreshing.
That's pretty good.
Really light too. Eh?
Very
it's
light.
not.
Shochu. Try it out.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers.